Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, April 17th. We did see a chilly morning out there with a low temperature down to 33 degrees at Wallops. Seeing mostly sunny skies out there right now, we will be seeing some mid-level cloudiness increase towards the afternoon and then slowly still increasing into the evening hours and then seeing rain return to the area, maybe even a rumble of thunder in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Taking a look at our surface analysis, there is that broad area high pressure that's given us some mostly sunny skies. Also helped to give us some calm winds this morning, which allowed those temperatures to plummet into the low 30s. Did see quite a few spots across the interior Delmarva reach freezing this morning. Um, Pretty close to seeing our record low tide at Wallops. Record low is 31, and we did see a low at 33 degrees. Our next weather system is over here across the Midwest. That's going to continue to track eastward towards our area. We will be seeing some rain showers with that tomorrow morning. Does look like after 4 a.m. is when we're going to start seeing chances of rain. Maybe even a rumble of thunder around the sunrise between around 6 to 9 a.m. possible as well. Perhaps a brief period of heavy rain. But it does look like rain will be ended by noon. Then we'll see those skies clear, becoming partly cloudy by the late afternoon period. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop this morning. There you can see that abundance of mid and upper level cloudiness off to the west. That's going to continue to stream eastward and will be moving over our area by the afternoon hour. And then we will see an early low tonight as well, as south to southwesterly winds will ramp up around sunset as we get to that prefrontal warmer air mass ahead of that front expected to impact us tomorrow morning. Taking a quick look at our upper level winds today, we are seeing those winds calm at the surface up through about 3,000 feet or so. Then 6,000 feet, seeing those winds shift more westerly, starting at 22 knots at 6,000 feet, and then quickly increasing to 60 to 65 knots at the 12 to 16,000 foot level, and then up to around 90 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning at 3,500 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, we are going to be seeing a late tide today of around 58 degrees. Winds are calm this morning, going to be increasing to 7 to 12 knots from the southeast just before noon, and then continuing to increase from the southeast throughout the afternoon hours, becoming 10 to 15 knots and gusty around sunset, and then shifting southerly then southwesterly after sunset, and maxing out at around 15 to 20 knots near midnight and gusty. So we are expecting a wind advisory tonight. Winds will decrease a little bit towards the pre-dawn hours of Saturday, but still remaining gusty once that once that rain arrives across the region. We are expecting an early low today of 52 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to just see a few clouds at 15,000, few at 25,000 for the rest of the morning, and seeing just a little bit more cloudiness towards lunchtime in the mid-levels. We'll see those ceilings slowly drop as we get into this evening, late tonight, becoming a few at 2,500, scattered at 12,000, and then broken to overcast in the upper levels just after midnight. And then when those showers arrive, seeing ceilings down to around 2,500 feet or so, and then possibly as low as 500 feet in the off chance we get a thunderstorm, only looking at about a 20% chance of a thunderstorm between about 7 and 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at some weather models. First, we'll look at our short-term weather model to show you how this rain is going to progress. We are going to be seeing quite a bit of rain across the far northern Maryland and Pennsylvania this evening. This is 10 p.m. this evening, but we are going to be in this warm sector, which will allow those temperatures to slowly increase overnight, also giving us those gusty prefrontal winds. There's that cold front coming. This is around 7 a.m., so we could be seeing an isolated shower or two in advance of that. Rain becoming likely around 8 a.m. and then continuing through about the 10 a.m. hour. Then rain will start to taper off. It does look like it's going to be finished by about noon. And then you see there's even higher chances of thunderstorms once you get over into the outer banks there. But up here, only about a 20% chance. Taking a longer look at our forecast, there's that front impacting us tonight. And like I said, going to be over, it looks like, around the noontime tomorrow. Then we'll see some nice high pressure building in as we go into Sunday. Should give us a partly cloudy to perhaps mostly day Sunday. Maybe even a good setup for some radiational cooling to help our lows drop down into the upper 30s. Not quite as cold as this morning, though, for Sunday morning. And then Sunday afternoon, we'll see those winds shift southwesterly again in advance of our next system. That's going to be bringing us rain on Monday. Still a little bit of a question on how far north this system will get. The European model, which is what we're looking at right here, does have that low being farther north than some of the other models, which was so this is giving us quite a bit of rain for the Monday time frame as this low continues to track northeastward off of the Outer Banks and then heading off of the coast of New England there. And so this model, if it were to verify, does have a pretty rainy day throughout the entire day Monday, then dries things out a little bit for a Tuesday morning. And we are going to be seeing another chance of a very weak shortwave dropping down with the cold fronts as we go into Tuesday afternoon, but doesn't look like it's going to be too strong or have too much moisture to work with. So only going to be carrying about a 20% chance of a shower as we go into late Tuesday. We go into Wednesday, we'll see some high pressure build across the mid-Atlantic once again, giving us a pretty pleasant day for Wednesday, and then we will see our next rainmaker, which does look to be a little stronger, impact us late next week for another round of showers and maybe even some thunderstorms. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be looking at a high of 58 today under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Seeing that rain tomorrow morning with a high of 59. We will see temperatures drop, it looks like, so we could see that 59 occur in the morning and then maybe getting back up to 59 once that rain clears, but not really expecting that um, change too much from the temperature we see in the morning. Sunday morning, going to be seeing a little bit chilly once again with a low of 38, high of 60 for Sunday, which under partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies, so it's going to be rather pleasant out there. On Monday, we are going to be seeing that rain from that low, and like I said, a little bit of a discrepancy on how far north that low is going to reach and bring the rain, but it still looks like a pretty good chance of seeing at least some rain Monday. Maybe not quite as wet as the model we just looked at, but we are going to be seeing it looks like our high early in the day with a high of 59. Then Tuesday, we're going to see things finally warm up just a little bit, high of 66, and then seeing that the weak cold front approach the area late in the day. That could give us just a slight chance of a shower Tuesday evening. On Wednesday, it's going to be a little cool once again with a high of 58 under partly cloudy skies. And then Thursday, we're going to see things get back to more seasonable values, temperature of 64 degrees. And then we will be seeing our next weather system start to approach the area Thursday late afternoon or evening for just a slight chance of a shower, with rain becoming more likely as we go later into Thursday night and into Friday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.